Hi everyone, welcome to my relaxing cleaning evening routine where I will share some cleaning motivations. Like you guys already know, cleaning is something I enjoy doing, especially at nights, because I get to wake up to a fresh, clean home. So let's just go ahead and get started.
Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no.
Okay, so let me just say that this cleaning have been one that I've been procrastinating for such a long time, guys. I feel like this right here is been long overdue. So you guys, if you follow my channel, you know I told you guys we're actually renovating our second bathroom, and my contractor, they've been working on that bathroom. So that is the reason you guys can see I have this kind of ramp board on the floor, and this is meant to protect the floor because there was high traffic, you know, like taking out the toilets, the top, because we installed new bathroom items. So of course when they handed me over the bathroom, I was like, okay, I'm gonna clean this hallway, you know, I'm gonna clean it, but I haven't had the time. So finally this evening I actually just came back from my errands, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna tackle this thing. I'm gonna clean the hallway, I'm gonna clean my kitchen, I'm gonna clean my bathroom, because they were like all connected, you know, while they were working. So that is basically what I'm doing right here. As you all can see, I went ahead and took up all the ramp board, and those ramp boards are very, very helpful, especially when you don't want like any traffic, especially like on your staircase and things like that. So that is the reason we decided to put that down. And as you all can see, like, look at all those dirt. Like we had a lot of dirt, a lot of dust on the hallway, on the staircase. It was just a mess, guys. So I knew any day I was gonna tackle this mess, like that it should be a day that I have the strength. So finally, of course, I had the strength. Like, you guys, look at the staircase, how dirty the staircase is. So basically what I'm doing is to go ahead and just sweep, you know, and clear all the dust, because of course, like, especially when you have kids, all these things can actually make people sick. So of course, when I went ahead and did that, I'm gonna head to my laundry room because I have a lot of laundry to do. And you guys, I love doing my laundry in the night, and today's video is done in collaboration with CVS, and they have some interesting cleaning supplies from their Total Home Products line. Like, you guys, this line has every and anything you can think of when it comes to cleaning supply. Like, I was so happy because the products actually came in really, really handy, especially since I had a lot of cleaning to do. So as you all can see, we have some laundry detergent here. I have some all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, disinfectant wipes, and also multi-eraser. Like, I received quite a number of products from them, guys, which I was so happy because they all came in really, really handy, like I said. So for my laundry, I'm going to be using their Total Home laundry detergent, and one of the reasons I absolutely love this is the fact that it's for sensitive skin, and also it's unscented, guys. And oh my gosh, I was so surprised with how much, you know, this actually laddered when I put it inside my washing machine. And for this, I decided to wash AC's clothes, because of course we use unscented products for Ace. So this right here is going to be perfect for your kids, you know, if you have newborn, if you have babies in the house, it's definitely going to be perfect. And of course, guys, since there was a lot of dust and dirt on my staircase, I also went in with the all-purpose cleaner to go ahead and just wipe down and clean everywhere. So I started from the flower vase, because I have this plant right here, and the plant was saturated with dust, guys. It's crazy. I tried as much as possible to keep my lighting very, very low so you guys could see, you know, the dust. Like, literally when you swipe your hand on the plants, you could like you could write 1 2 3 on them because they were so dusty. So this right here was so handy, like the all-purpose cleaner. And also this microfiber cloth is from CVS brand too, which I absolutely love. So I'm going ahead to clean like my fireplace, my plants, and also for the rail, because there was a lot of traffic, you know, on the staircase rail. So I was so happy because I also have their disinfectants and wipe, which of course you guys know with the corona and everything going on, guys, like you have to always make sure you sanitize like your doorknobs, your rail, anything that a lot of people use. You always want to make sure you sanitize that. So basically that is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just going ahead to wipe my rail, wipe everything down with the disinfectant wipes.
It's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is.
So I'm also going to go ahead and clean our bathroom because of course there was a lot of traffic in this bathroom too, because that was the only bathroom that was, you know, available to be used. So of course we had a lot of, you know, a lot of use in the bathroom. So I'm just going ahead to sweep it because it had a lot. Like you guys, I was looking at what I swept out of the bathroom and I was surprised because like me looking at it, of course you could see the dust, but I didn't know it accumulated. Look at what I swept off of the floor, guys. I never knew it like it had all this dirt on it. So I went ahead and also swept the floor. Honestly, guys, to be sincere, like I wasn't expecting to find high performance kind of cleaning products from CVS, but I was so shocked, guys, because as you all can see, I'm also using the all-purpose cleaner to clean my toilet, and it was so good. Like I used it for my toilet, I used it for my sink, and oh my gosh, guys, it was really good. It cleaned everywhere perfectly, like sparkling clean. And as you all can see, I'm going in with the glass cleaner. Oh my gosh, I was just telling Hobby that nobody told me that shower glasses are high maintenance. Like you guys, oh my gosh. I'm so happy that at least I have this glass cleaner, because the one I had is already running out, guys, and this right here performed so well. Like it cleaned my shower glass so well. Look at this, guys. Like you can see like the shine, you know, and you can see how clear the glass looks. And yeah, I also went ahead and sprayed, you know, the glass cleaner, and also I'm using the microfiber cloth to, you know, wipe and clean my glass. I absolutely love microfiber clothes because they're just amazing. Like they clean things really well, unlike your regular towels. You know, one thing I absolutely love about microfiber cloths is the fact that they are very like they soak up things really well. And of course also I'm using this eraser. This is so good if you have anything like spots or stains on your wall, because of the fact that a lot of things was moved on this hallway. So we had a lot of scratches, you know, on our wall. So I was so thankful when I found that when I found this product out, because you guys, oh my gosh, like all you need to do is just to wet it up a little bit. You guys, look at that stain by the side of my door. You're gonna see it right now. Like once I went ahead and look at this, just all you need to do is just go over it gradually, and look at that, everything just disappeared. And I also have this one on the door, and basically I just went over it like just with little effort and everything came off. So this is going to be perfect if you have kids that are used to maybe writing on the wall. You definitely need this in your life. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Getting this this job done was just so, I don't know, it made me feel so good, because you know how like you I don't know if you guys find yourselves in situations where you just keep procrastinating, like you don't want to get that thing done, and then finally when you get it done, you're just so happy. That is exactly how I felt when I finally, you know, cleaned my hallway, basically cleaned my whole house, because I don't know, I can't function or I can't clean properly when I know some parts of the house are not clean. So I rather just leave everything clean until when I feel like, okay, I'm ready to clean everything. So that is basically the mood I was in this evening. Like I was like, you know what, I'm just going to clean everything. So basically I'm cleaning the hallway, I'm cleaning the staircase, I'm cleaning the bathroom, because they are all, you know, connected. And now I'm going to move onto the kitchen, because we just had dinner before I started cleaning. So the kitchen was a mess. We had like plates thrown all over the kitchen. We had we had dishes to be washed. So yeah, I just headed down to the kitchen, and as you all can see, I'm just going to quickly wash up these things, because as you all can see, like I didn't have a lot of dishes to do. And of course I'm also using this dish detergent from the Total Home line. I absolutely love the fact that it lathers a lot. And yeah, guys, these products are trusted products that kind of, it just works as hard as any other cleaning products, guys, honestly speaking. So I just went ahead and, you know, did my dishes, and now I'm just going to rinse it, allow it to air dry a little bit, put them where they're supposed to be. Basically, I'm just used to cleaning. Like, even if everywhere in my home is dirty, guys, I always make sure that my kitchen is clean, because I don't know, having a clean kitchen in the morning just makes me feel so new. It makes me feel so fresh. Like, having a clean kitchen is the same feeling I get when I wake up in the morning and make up my bed. Like, once my bed is made up in the morning, guys, it just sets me in the mood to tackle my day. I don't know if it's spiritual or something. Just let me know if that happens to you too, because I know a lot of people always say they can't function if they don't make up their bed in the morning. That is also with me. So I'm just going ahead to, you know, clean my countertop. I, you know, just clean my sink, clean my stove, my refrigerator. I just cleaned everything. And over here I'm just, you know, wiping down and also cleaning my my countertop.
She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does.
And yeah, guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. Like, oh my gosh, you guys know cleanliness is next to godliness, and I try as much as possible to make sure my home is clean. I'm always cleaning, I'm always wiping, because when you have kids, you just have to, you know, if you don't want your house to always be dirty, you just have to do it. And of course, guys, I'm going to link all the info regarding these products I used in my video in my description box. So definitely check my description box for all the info regarding the Total Home products. And yep, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to